How to fix graphics card not detected on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First thing, what you can do is just hit the combination of Windows plus R on your keyboard and this Windows will pop up and simply type in for msconfig. So you can also search in for system configuration from search menu, but since it's a fast way, just click on OK by typing this. So once you click on OK, you should see this screen. So now all you have to do is just select this normal startup instead of select the startup and simply hit on apply and hit on OK. And once you do that, the second thing what you can do is just search in for device manager and simply open it. And once you're inside here, just head over to your display adapters. So once you select display adapter, make sure you take the note of what type of display adapter you have. In my case, it's Radeon, that is AMD and Intel. In your case, if it's NVIDIA, you have to select the NVIDIA and simply update the driver by simply searching for it online, just like this. Do the same for both of these drivers. And once you do all of that, and if it's still not fixing your issue of finding the graphic card, then what you can do is finally just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply from over here you can go to these particular websites. That is, if you are using NVIDIA, you can come over here and simply download it, and if you are using AMD, you can come over here and download it, and if you are using Intel, you can also come to its official website, that is Intel driver support, and simply download the graphic card from over here. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.